Okay, so here's our second guest, Mali. And she's also gonna do Chubby Bunny.
Sample.
Not sample, it's the actual thing. Okay, ready? Ready?
Okay, one Chubby Bunny. Yeah.
Don't laugh.
Two Chubby Bunny. Tama ba?
Yeah.
What?
Don't. Oh. Don't make her laugh.
Here's my Chubby. Three Chubby Bunny. Four Chubby Bunny.
What's wrong not to laugh?
That's
She's
fifth
laughing
one.
as well. Three!
Yeah,
Just three! Lightweight.
Ikaw na
Tayo naman, tayo naman. Okay,
Huwag may continue mo lang.
our turn. Minxie first.
We can see your faces.
One Chubby Bunny.
Wala ka ng bunga nga niyo.
Two Chubby Bunny.
Pilipino kami.
Three Chubby Bunny. Four Chubby Bunny. Five Chubby Bunny. We're running out. Six Chubby Bunny.
Ano, six? That's a six.
Seven Chubby Bunny. Eight Chubby Bunny.
Kaya ba?
Hanggang na kailan ka?
Nine.
Nine.
Chubby
No,
Bunny.
eight. Actually, eight. Because I couldn't do nine.
Yeah.
Kim, stop eating it. My turn.
No, that was scary, Sai.
My turn. Okay. It's my turn. It's
Roxy
Foxy Foxy's turn. Okay.
You just wasted the whole marshmallow.
That was eight. Okay.
What you?
One Chubby Bunny. Two Chubby Bunnies.
Pero yung only on side.
Three Funny Chubby.
Funny bunny.
Three Chubby Bunnies.
You look like a mongoloid.
Shut up. Four Chubby Bunnies.
Are we watching Harry Potter?
Van Helsing.
Do you know what that is?
No.
Vampire?
Are you chewing? No. Okay. I'm trying to move it here. How many na?
She doesn't even.
Five Chubby Bunnies. Stop distracting me.
Masama mo naman. Kami
I'm
were
sorry.
having.
Six Chubby Bunnies. Seven Chubby Bunnies. I'm gonna prepare. Eight Chubby Bunnies.
Define.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Can you try to eat that, please? Don't spit it out.
Nine Chubby Bunnies. And she gets a phone call. Who's that?
Hello?
Nine.
10. Pa? Oh. Apa? Hello? Nandito kami sa baba.
can do it.
Papa. 10. Papa.
You're dribbling. She's dribbling.
10. Come on. Oh, don't you
That
That is disgusting. What did they say, Kim?
Sabi niya,
Hmm?
why is your books are so crowded? I was like, we're all here downstairs. Sabi niya, okay, bye-bye.
Okay.
Ano? It's upside down, man.
Somewhere here.
Can't tell anymore.
She just wants to spit it out.
Eat it muna. Try to eat it.
I can't even chew it. She just spat a bit. Okay, Duty, it's your turn.
I got 10.
Yeah, no exception. Jammy Dodger's turn. Why are you eating it? That's not even 7 or 8 or 9 or 10. Okay.
What? It's not enough.
Take
I
some
know.
from the trash can.
1.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny. 2.
Pabot nga ng nose
Chubby bunny.
How are you supposed to say 2 chubby bunny? 3 chubby
Nubbies. 3 chubby nubbies.
3. Chubby bunny. 4. Chubby bunny. 5. Chubby bunny. 6. Chubby bunny. 7. Chubby bunny.
Oh. 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 Oh, that was gross.
How many is she, ano?
7. 1.
Foxy's done the most.
Yeah.
One more left. I'll be funny. Bye. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy had fun making us puke.